halikan. Nanggigigil siya sa akin, ayaw niya akong tigilan. At ang sabi niya, Andrew, I wanna make love with you. Can you do me a little favor? Can I always be with you? But ako'y biglang nagulat nang bumukas ang pinto. It was Anna's elder sister, so kami na pahinto. There was nothing we could do, it was a pain in the nasabihin ng kanyang ate, Anna, can I join?